In this video, we will learn how to fetch the open orders. The BridgePy package contains get_open_orders. To fetch open orders for a specific security, or fetch the status of all the open orders. All open orders are cancelled at the end of the day. The syntax to fetch open orders for a specific security is get_open_orders security. The security argument signifies the security object, created by either using the symbol, symbols, superSymbol functions. The method returns a list of order objects for the security. The order object return has the following properties: status of the order such as open, filled, cancelled, or rejected. Date and time the order was created, in UTC time zone. Optional limit price. Total shares ordered. Total shares bought or sold for this order so far. Boolean variable if limit price has been reached. Commission for the transaction. Here is a code example that places an order to buy 20 shares of Apple for the limit price of $175. And sell 10 shares of Apple for the limit price of $180. And subsequently calls the get_open_orders function with parameter as symbol Apple to get all open orders for Apple. Then, it iterates over each order in open_orders list, and prints the ordered amount, and the amount filled. To run this example stored in example_show_open_orders Python file, go to run_me file, set the file name to example_show_open_orders.py, and click on Run. Since the limit price is not reached, it shows 0 shares filled for both the orders. The syntax to fetch all the open orders is get_open_orders. The function returns a dictionary keyed by security object, with values that are lists of orders object. Here is a code example that places an order to buy 20 shares of Apple for limit price of $175. And sell 2 shares of Amazon for limit price of $1,600. And subsequently calls the get_open_orders function, without any parameter, to get all open orders. Then, it iterates over each security and over each orders to print the order amount, and the amount filled. To run this example stored in example_show_open_orders, go to run_me file, set the file name to example_show_open_orders.py, and click on Run. The output shows the filled status for all open orders in the portfolio. That is all for this video lecture. In this video, we saw how to retrieve open orders. In the next video, we will learn about positions tracking.